Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is the Seattle Dog. I love regional recipes and I love the Pacific Northwest, so I'm excited to be sharing with you guys today the Seattle Dog. Now when we boil it down, essentially what a Seattle Dog is, it's a hot dog on a bun with cream cheese, and from there you can go wild. We're going to be putting caramelized onions or griddled onions specifically on top of our dog, as well as some jalapenos, and of course we're smoking the cream cheese. So I've got an 8-ounce block of cream cheese here. We're going to season this up with the Yoder beef rub, which is a nice savory, neutral flavored rub. I'm putting this on a frog mat, which is this silicone woven mat. It's going to help it to not stick to the grill. All beef dog, all beef rub. We're doing all our cooking today on a Yoder Smoker's YS640S pellet grill. And we're gonna start with a cold smoke for the cream cheese. We've got a full-length video on this if you guys wanna go check that out, or a real quick snippet on Instagram if you wanna go check out the reel. The quick rundown is turn on the smoker, but don't hit the start button. That way it just runs the fans and runs air through there. Then you wanna fill a smoke tube with your pellets. We're using hickory. Slide that right down there on the bottom and then fire it up. Once those pellets have really taken to the fire and they're fully lit, you can blow it out. Now you've got this smoke that's just gonna roll right through the smoker. It's gonna move from this side out here through the chimney, and this is far enough away from any heat that those pellets are putting off that you get a good cold smoke. After about 2 hours, you've got plenty of smoke on this, so this is gonna go into a bowl, and all we're gonna add to it is about a tablespoon of our Kozlik's Dijon mustard. So give that a good mix, and this is going to be the cream cheese spread that goes onto our hot dogs. Now let's move on to our griddle cooked onions. We're gonna be slicing these pole to pole. That means this way rather than this way. Get that skin off of there. And then we'll just work our way down the line. Grill's set up a little bit different now. We've removed that diffuser door, so we're getting direct heat onto our steel skillet. Now it's running at about 450 degrees now. We're gonna throw in about a tablespoon of butter and about a tablespoon of our colonial chili oil. Just throw in these onions. We're not gonna do a full caramelization on here, just trying to melt them down a bit, soften them up, get a little bit of color on there. And what's gonna help with that is some salt. We're using the Jacobsen black garlic salt today. Now for the hot dogs, we're using jumbo all beef hot dogs, and we're gonna give them some scores to create some texture that kind of open up as they grill. So just make some diagonal slashes, then go back the other direction. And these have been packaged, so there's kind of 4 sides to them, but we're just gonna do it on 2 of those sides. Next we've got some jalapenos. We're just gonna slice these and put them on top fresh. This is 20 minutes in. These onions have melted down nicely, just a little bit of browning around the edges. That's what we're looking for, so we're gonna pull these off. Now we're ready to throw our scored hot dogs right above that flame. We'll roll these around a little bit, get a little bit of color on them, heat these through. While those dogs are cooking, we're gonna toast our buns. Start with a couple tablespoons of butter and melt that down. Using some top cut brioche buns for our recipe today. Just gonna toast these over kind of medium-low heat. Go slow. All right, getting a good toast on these now. Flipping to the other side. Been rolling these guys around for the last 8 minutes. Trying to get some even char on them. Probably just give them another minute or so. But you can see how that's really opened up the texture on there. Now let's build these Seattle dogs. I'm gonna put down a base of our cream cheese. Our smoked seasoned cream cheese with just a little bit of mustard in there. All beef dog sits on top, loaded up with some of those melted onions. Slices of jalapeno, we'll just slide those right in there. Again, you could put just about anything you like on top of this. You know me, I'm gonna have some hot sauce handy. We're using the anti-gravity from Heat Mavericks today. All right, let's get after it. That's a solid dog. I love an all beef dog. Get a subtle sweetness from those onions. Our jalapenos got a little kick today. I love that vinegar from the hot sauce on top too. But obviously what sets this thing apart, this is a creamy hot dog. You got cream cheese in there and you can taste the smoke. Why didn't anyone tell me about this earlier? Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.